of malloc is memory allocation and passing only one argument as input, that is the number of bytes to be occupied in consecutive. Number of bytes to be occupied in consecutive. So instead of writing size of int, I can put 2. I can write 1 plus 1. Any kind of algebraic expression is allowed there. Then I suppose I am to occupy a memory space to hold 10 integers value. Then I should have to write size of int start 10, or I can write 2 start 10. I can directly write 20. So that is up to me. So this is known as a dynamic memory space allocation. And then that thing has been assigned to PTR. Okay, let me check it out. At present PTR is containing FFF4. Now after this assignment, that address must have been updated. 06BA. So this is the particular space which is, I can give you guarantee that it was a free space. When we used to enter into a hotel to occupy a room for the night stay, then where should we go at first? We should go at the reception counter, and there I should ask the madam or the sir, is there any room available? Then if one is available, then they will be giving me the room number. According to that, I can have my occupation. I can occupy the room. But if I go to the room directly, knocking on the room doors, then what would happen? I may have a very painful experience for that. A person may come out and give me some feedback. Others also I can get a free room accidentally. But that does not mean that we should not go to the reception. Always we should go to the reception, because there only the room allocation, that is the memory space allocation, has been controlled, is being controlled. So here I should ask the malloc function to give me, to get a free memory locations address. So DS06BA, it has been provided by the malloc. So how to initialize a pointer type of variable like the other variables? The pointer type of variable may point to a garbage address. What do you mean by the term garbage address? The address to which it is pointing may not be existing. May not be existing means my laptop supports 4 GB of memory, but due to lack of paisa, I've installed only 2 GB. So it may be pointing to an address whether my RAM is not existing. Am I clear? So garbage address means what? The address which is not existing, may not be existing. 1, 2. The address may be preoccupied by other application. My antivirus software is occupying that address. I'm pointing to that address. I'm keeping value there. My antivirus software is causing halt and hang because I'm overwriting its code. So this is the case. So I should ask the operating system to give me a free locations address, and that address will be assigned to the pointer type of variable. Here it is PTR. Up to this, am I clear? Should I proceed? No. I'm going for malloc. So this is the corresponding health scheme for malloc. This is the corresponding health scheme for malloc. What is the prototype for malloc? White pointer malloc size t size. What does it mean? What is white pointer? Why? White pointer means generic pointer. Generic. GENERIC. Generic pointer means what? General pointer means what? You can occupy some memory space, but prior keeping data there, you must be telling us what sort of data you are going to keep there. Let us suppose you are going to take a room on rent. After checking each and everything, after checking each and every your terms and conditions, obviously your landlord will ask you, what will you do with this home space? What will you do? Will you use this one as a commercial purpose? Will you use this one for the dwelling purpose? Will you use this one for the commercial purpose? So he must be asking you. He is providing you a memory space, and that has got data type white pointer. But before keeping something there, I must do a typecasting. So this typecasting is mandatory. This typecasting is optional. Optional. Why? Because it has been done already. But this sort of typecasting is mandatory, means it returns generic pointer. Generic pointer means what? General pointer. General pointer means what? I don't know what sort of data we are going to, data types of data you are going to keep there. So before putting value there, before putting your steps on that floor space on rent, you must give that answer to the landlord. What will you do with this floor space? So this is known as generic pointer. Yes, you must be doing that assignment. So that is mandatory. Is it okay for us? Am I clear? So you see size of this. Let us suppose you see here what I am getting here, what I am getting. What I am getting? Am I getting the same address? Sorry, I am getting the same address. 06BA. Okay, let me do some updations here. So I'm occupying 2000 locations. If that very from that very location, if 2000 consecutive locations are not available, then my OS will allocate another space. Let me check it out. If it allocates the same space, then I'm not having any control over that. I'm having the same space, so that block is free actually. That block is free. No. অন্য স্পেস অ্যালোকেট করবে না, ফ্রি না থাকলেও আরেকটা কাজ করতে পারে, ইট ক্যান ডু দ্য কম্প্যাকশন। দাদা একটু সরবেন, একটু সরে, প্লিজ গিভ মি সাম স্পেস। তাহলে এটা কোনো ঢুকবে না, নিশ্চয়ই ঢুকবে। আমি লাইফে পাইনি, ও ঠিক অ্যালোকেট করে দেয়। ও এখন ভার্চুয়াল মেমোরি কনসেপশন চলে এসেছে, তো ও ওইখানকার প্রোগ্রামগুলোকে হার্ড ডিস্কে পাঠিয়ে দিয়ে মেমোরি স্পেস ফাঁকা করে। এক্সিট জিরো লিখতে হবে, এটা জাস্ট কি বলবো, ফলস এক্সিট হয়েছে, ইনকমপ্লিট জিরো। এগুলো ব্যাপার নেই, এমনিতেই এক্সিট উইথ এনি ভ্যালু। ইউ সি হিয়ার, ইফ ইউ গো ফর দ্য এক্সিট function cell, it requires a status. It didn't tell you that it should be 0 or 1 only. Oh, why? Why not? Is int. Is int. Sir, anything while you can go from 1 to 0 false. हाँ, she did. 0 false. Any non-zero value is true. 0 is false. Any non-zero value is true. It may be negative or positive. Hello. নাম কি লেখা আছে এখানে? আমার মোবাইল থেকে নামটা উঠলো। দিও আর কি। Is it okay now? পুরো প্রোগ্রামটা ক্যাপচার হয়ে যাবে, ক্লাসটা রেকর্ড। This class is getting recorded. Okay. Now, there's the use of this. There's the use of this malloc. There's the use of this malloc. Engage. কিন্তু পড়াশোনা নিয়ে যাবে, এই আমার ল্যাপটপে ক্যামেরাতে ভালো ছবি ওঠে না, স্ক্রিন থেকে তুলে নিচ্ছে, আর আমার এখান থেকে মাইক্রোফোন থেকে আওয়াজ শুনে নিচ্ছে, স্ক্রিন ক্যাপচারিং হয়ে যাচ্ছে। আজকে ক্লাস যে করলো না, সেই ক্লাসটা সে শুনতে পারবে, হেডফোন লাগবে, তা দেখতে পাবে। কেন নেওয়া যাবে?